Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw a girl who is sitting beside the window. Let's start the drawing. So we'll start the drawing from the top. So this is the face of the girl. Let's draw the face. Okay. Mm-hmm. And you can see the hair. Okay, all right. So the hairlines you can see here. Mm-hmm. Okay, almost prominent. So after you can see the hair is done, so we go for the hand. All right. Mm-hmm. So let's do the collar for the hand. Okay, so there are some wrinkles here on the top. Mm-hmm. All right. So the hands, some wrinkles you can see here too. We have to change the lead. Let's change the lead here. Okay, so putting the new lead. So this is how we put the lead inside. Just stay here and insert the lead into the pencil. All right. Now we're going to see the view here on the other side, coming up this side. Okay, and as she's a girl, so wearing a shirt, you can see. Okay, all right. Okay, and as you know, we're going to put that she's holding a book with her hand. So let's do the few details of the hands. All right, so you can see the upper shape, just like she's just leaning on the pillow. So there's a pillow on her back. You can see the pillow here. Okay. You can see it, some wrinkles in the pillow too. All right, and the dress is coming up here. Okay. Okay, all right. So let's put a book on her hand. So she's just reading the book. Okay, this is the other side of the book. And on the other hand, we're just putting on her side, sorry. Okay. Just putting the hands and do the little details. Okay. Okay. All right, and you can see here, so one leg is folded here. Okay, so just it's a very relaxed positions, nothing too hurry. And on the hand you can see on the other side. Okay, that's just half folded on the other side, you can see. And dress. Okay, and the legs here you can see. So it has a sketch effect, you can see, for the drawing. Mhm. All right. So maybe we're going to put a brick wall behind her. So this is the little details of the brick wall, mhm, on which she's leaning. All right, so this is not very tough, very easy drawing. And the platform on which she's sitting, you can see the platform here, just connecting to the walls in this positions here, just putting the platforms. Okay, and another platforms here, you can see. And she's putting her leg on the upper platform of the balcony. Okay, and you can see that one partially visible because of her figure. It's not fully visible. Okay, and sometimes we're going to see few trees in a far distance. So this is the detail of the trees. Okay. Okay, all right. Something like sketch, pencil sketch is really nice to see when it's complete. It looks very wonderful. All right, some trees you can see here on the other side too. Okay, close to her face. Okay, all right. Mm-hmm. So this is almost the basic outline of a girl sitting here. Okay, now we're going to put the colors. So for the brick wall, we're going to put partially the brick color, but here we're using this color. So for putting the colors, we're just putting the shades and the effects. Okay, so you can see that when you're putting the whole area the uniform color, it's like putting the dark sides into one side and putting it lighter as we go to the other side. All right, so it's visible. Okay, so you can see the brick wall here. All right, and the platform, it's like we're putting another color. Okay, like the brick platform you can see here. Okay, and some dark red color we're going to put for the surface. So the variations you can see. All right, another dark combinations on the other platform. For the trees we are going to put the dark color. Okay, so the trees is getting color. And as we want to know the putting shades in the tree platforms, you can see the branches are maybe dark on one side, so we're going to put the shade effects on each of the branches. Okay.